Designing interesting presentations using animation effects. The class teacher of 6th A wants her students to follow certain classroom rules. She has created a colorful presentation to convey the same. In order to make the presentation interesting and impactful, she wants to add some effects. Let's help her in making the presentation more interesting by adding some animation effects. Let's start by adding an animation effect to the title text. Select the text. Go to Animations tab. Click on More button in the Animation group. From the drop-down list, select the option Fly In. Observe. A numbered tag appears on the slide pane to signify that the effect has been applied to the text. We can further set options for the selected effect. For this, click Effect Options in the Animation group. Choose the option from left. Let's now add multiple animation effects to the picture object. Select the picture. In Animation tab, go to Advanced Animation group and click the Add Animation option. Click on the option Grow and Turn. Select the object again. Click on the Add Animation option and choose the Teeter option. There, we have added 2 animation effects to the picture. Now, let's add the same animation effects that was applied to the title text to the remaining text on slide. Won't it be good to display the picture first and then the title? For this, we need to reorder the effects. To do this, click on the Animation pane option in the Advanced Animation group. Click on the animation effect of title. Drag the effect down using the reorder buttons. Let's set the Start option for the effects to avoid multiple mouse clicks during the slideshow. To do this, in the Animation pane, click the drop-down arrow against an effect and select option Start After Previous. Let's set this for all objects on the slide. Let's view the final presentation by clicking on the From Beginning option on the Slideshow tab. Hooray! We have helped the teacher enhance her presentation by adding animation effects. Do practice this to make attractive presentations.